Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on Redmi mobile call ID announcement setting. Friends, you want to turn on Redmi mobile call ID announcement setting. So friends, now let's see how to turn on Redmi mobile call ID announcement setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all you will have to turn on your phone setting. So when after turn on friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So you can check your recent history and contact history, you can check here. So friends, you want to use call setting. Friends, right side you can see three dot. If you tap here call history, you can check setting option, we will tap here. After on setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, you can see block number, you have blocked any number in your Redmi mobile, so you can unblock number. Call recording setting you want to use, so you can use Redmi mobile call recording setting. Display option friends, if you click here, so you can change your Redmi mobile dialer theme, and you can set your default theme also. Friends, you can see quick response setting, you can use sound and vibration setting you want to on, so you can turn on and you can use it. Advanced call setting you want to use, so you can use. And friends, you can see second last option caller ID announcement setting. Friends, you want to turn on Redmi mobile call ID announcement setting, so you can turn on Redmi mobile call ID announcement. Friends, you can see announce caller ID setting you want to use, tap here. Always enable announce caller ID setting. As you can see, the caller name and number will be read out loud for incoming calls. So you want to use announce caller ID setting, caller ID announcement setting, so you can enable, you can on in your Redmi mobile. And once you can see flip to silent setting you want to use, so you can turn on and you can off your flip to silent setting in Redmi mobile. Caller ID announcement setting you don't want to use, you want to turn off. If you tap here never option, so you cannot use announce caller ID announcement setting is off. You want to on, so you can on and you can on, and you can on and you can use it. So I hope friends you understood how to use call setting and how to use advanced call setting in Redmi mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If you have any problem in Redmi mobile setting, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.